In web development, there are many cases where we want users to choose from predefined options. For example, let's add a topic field to our contact form so users can select the subject of their message. Before we start coding, let's learn how to type HTML elements more efficiently using Emmet abbreviations in VS Code. Start by typing label, but don't press enter yet. To add a class of a label using Emmet, type .label. The dot represents a class in Emmet, the built-in abbreviation system in VS Code. Now press enter, and VS Code will generate a label with a class attribute. And let's also add for attribute topic. To create a dropdown, use select tag. And don't press enter yet. Dot input, the dot adds a class, and then the hashtag defines the ID, so hashtag topic. And after pressing enter, VS Code generates a select element with class input and ID topic. And add topic as name attribute as well. Next, add options to let users choose a topic. Option, value, work opportunity, and then label will also be work opportunity. The second option will have value of feedback and label feedback. And the third option will be other with a label other. Now, users can select a topic instead of typing it manually. To sum up, use the select tag to create a dropdown. Use option elements to define the available choices. In VS Code, use Emmet abbreviations. For example, label.label generates label element with class label. And select.input hashtag topic generates select element with ID topic and class input.